Namaskaram. Apart from being the last man standing between you and a wonderful lunch, I am Dr. Manish Thapliyal, your DRM at Trivandrum Division. As a special favor to all of you and as a special favor to our MD, Mr. Loknath Bera, I'll spare you the PPT. I'll just brief you in a couple of minutes on what we are doing for the mobility and sustainability at Trivandrum Division. I am sure all of us here would by now have understood that railways and Kerala are hand in hand. We had a small talk where DFC was called as the spine of the nation. The railways are a lifeline of Kerala, and more so because development works in the highways and the other road works, they are currently underway and everyone is dependent upon the railways. In Trivandrum Division, we are fully cognizant that this has given us additional responsibilities. So I'll just tell you what we are doing. First of all, the first requirement is on the infrastructure part. Wherever we do not have a doubling, we are doubling. So we are doubling between Trivandrum to Nagarcoil, Nagarcoil to Kanyakumari. We are doubling between Alleppey to Tiruvarur. We have to go up to Alapura, and then all our sections will be doubled. Now, apart from the doubling, how do we increase the mobility of the people? And that too quickly. We cannot go and set up new lines with 160 kmph, acquire land. As all of you know, land acquisition and infrastructure projects are inversely proportional. So what we have done is, at Trivandrum Division, we have gone for automatic block signaling between Shornur and Ernakulam. So what will happen is, with the automatic block signaling, we can infuse more number of trains in the same track. The gap between the two trains, currently it is 2 stations, about 8 kilometers, that reduces. Now each automatic block signaling is about 1 kilometer apart, that increases the sectional capacity. So that is how we intend to increase mobility and provide succor to the people. The other thing is, if we are taking so many people, we have, as of now, we have already carried about 10 crore people, both in the unreserved as well as the reserved sector. If 10 crores people move, then obviously the stations have to be in a great shape. At the moment, about 3,000 crores of work is being done for the station development. At Ernakulam, where we are, we have 2 stations, Ernakulam Junction as well as Ernakulam North. Both of these stations have been taken for redevelopment at about a cost of 450 crores and 250 crores respectively. Similarly, Trivandrum, that's the capital, that station is going to be redeveloped at about a cost of 500 crores. Our another main place is Thrissur, that will also there, Kollam, Kayankulam, you name it, we have it. And there is a scheme called Amrit Station. 15 smaller stations will be taken for redevelopment here. Railways, as you know, are the only viable means which is sustainable as well as economic means. That is progressing well. On the sustainability front, we have done all the sections are electrified. A small section in Ernakulam is remaining to be electrified because it's in Cochin itself, because it's next to the Navy, so about 7 kilometers is left behind. So we are providing a sustainable alternative also. We are also trying to have a RoRo kind of a service, which will come maybe in the next couple of years, whereby we will complement the roads wherever it is difficult for them to go. We will provide them railway wagons which can take the trucks also. Now the question comes upon the IT part, upon the AI and everything. We have gone in a big way for the providing the PRS system, the reservation system, which all of you are familiar with. The IRCTC booking site, which we are all familiar with. These are one of the small portions. On the passenger interface side, we have a Rail Madad, from which our feedbacks are coming from the passengers, which is giving us inputs to learn. We are using AI in Trivandrum Division on the feedbacks which we get, so that we can forecast, like supposing we say the water is scarce, we can forecast with the usage of water that between which 2 stations the water is most likely to run out. Apart from the other things, I will be available at lunch for further discussions, and I'll be happy to answer any of the queries which you have. So thank you so much for inviting me here. And one assurance is there, the Trivandrum Division, the railways, the division and my team are there to meet all your needs. Thank you so much.